Unpause. Huh?
That said you could only find this in pink.
Well, and yellow.
I want to hear about yellow.
Yeah, but that's all they had was yellow. Or white. And I didn't want to get the white.
Portable DVD player.
What? What is that?
Portable DVD player.
Oh.
And you put in your little videos from your
Video now.
No.
Oh.
MP3.
Sweet.
How do you have videos on MP3?
Cage. Saver and Cage CD. Wow, that's a good one. We're gonna lock that on your portable. Oh, sweet. I got one too.
Maybe I won't keep breaking them. That's a big, real, actual football, Nick. Okay.
Smells like one. This needs a little football. Oh! Oh, that's what you want.
You like that?
Hold on, let's turn it on. It is on.
It might need some. It might need batteries.
Yeah, probably.
Ooh, Nick, I like that shirt. Yeah, you like that? There, now you can't complain you don't have any school shoes. Here, I want to see it.
Okay.
There, now turn around and look at it, Nick. Yeah.
This is just like my gecko, because it has a gecko right here and then like geckos right here.
Oh, there's geckos on it?
No.
Oh.
No, it's like a green one.
Oh, yeah, I like a gecko. It's like a skull to me.
It's like your gecko shirt.
Yeah, I had a gecko. At Kohl's there was a gecko shirt that had a big one right here and then little geckos went on. Gage, let's open this.
We're already breaking into the toys?
Let's open this.
You don't get to play with them today.
Ready? Transformers. Pinball. Come on. Pinball. Yeah.
It's a pinball game.
How big is it?
Alright? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, now open yours.
Yes, Mom.